Alright, I've got my two mechanics in here, two awesome mechanics doing an install today on this Hilux. They've been doing a great job and a lot of work, haven't you, Luke?
Yeah, been busy.
And Andre's in there, sealing up the boxes. Look at that. He's got some white silicone because we had to raise the boxes 3mm. On these Hiluxes they have this edge along here. So we've grinded it off and brought this box right to the edge, all the way along. We're going to end up putting the side back along here, and the rear tailgate's going to stay. It's got a hoop ladder rack on there. The double stackers at the back here, hoses coming out the back, unless he wants them going to the customer's house, and he can pull them out and go around that way. So double stacker there, hoses going to go down through here. Look at that sealing job on the toolbox, that's bloody beautiful. So he's got this little box here on the passenger side. I dare say it's going to be for his camera mini reel. And he's got the Racejet BOSS sitting long ways here on a cradle. We're going to spin this fuel tank around so the filling port is not on the inside, it's going to be here. This is that IGX 800, and it's looking good, looking very good. So yeah, I'll get some more photos when this is finished. I think you'll be very happy.